Writing can be categorized into several different types based on its purpose, style, and intended audience. Here are some common types of writing. Narrative writing. This type of writing tells a story or recounts events. It often includes characters, setting, plot, and a sequence of events. Descriptive writing. Descriptive writing uses sensory details to create a vivid picture or evoke a certain feeling in the reader's mind. It focuses on describing a person, place, object, or event in detail. Expository writing. Expository writing aims to explain, inform, or describe a topic in a straightforward manner. It includes essays, reports, and articles that present facts, definitions, or explanations. Persuasive writing. Persuasive writing tries to convince the reader to adopt a certain viewpoint or take a specific action. It uses logical arguments, evidence, and emotional appeals to persuade the audience. Argumentative writing. Similar to persuasive writing, argumentative writing presents arguments and counterarguments on a topic. However, it focuses more on logical reasoning and evidence to support a particular claim. Technical writing. Technical writing is used to explain complex ideas, processes, or instructions in a clear and concise manner. It is common in fields such as science, engineering, and technology. Creative writing. Creative writing includes various forms such as poetry, short stories, novels, and plays. It allows for artistic expression and imagination, often focusing on themes, characters, and literary devices. Journalistic writing. Journalistic writing is used in news articles, features, and editorials. It follows a specific style of reporting facts objectively, interviewing sources, and presenting information in a timely manner. Academic writing. Academic writing is used in scholarly papers, research articles, and academic essays. It follows a formal style, includes citations and references, and is often aimed at an academic audience. Business writing. Business writing includes emails, memos, reports, proposals, and other documents used in a professional setting. It emphasizes clarity, professionalism, and effectiveness in communication. These are broad categories, and there can be overlap or combinations of these types of writing in various genres and styles.